The question of, what's minimal for life is a very deep question because we don't know at the moment. I mean, you will get standard answers saying that you need something like metabolism, you need something like information, and you need something like a division machinery. But the question really at the moment is, how minimal can you make it? So how few components do you really need in order to achieve that? At the moment, this is a scientific question where we try to understand the principles underlying it. In the long run, it may become an engineering question where you have to interface the different components. My name is Erwin Frey. I'm holding here the chair for Statistical and Biological Physics at the University of Munich. We are on the way to a synthetic cell in a way that we understand the principles. We are not on the way to a synthetic cell because we're not able yet to combine all the different components that you would need to create a synthetic cell. It's really we're trying to build things like a synthetic cell in order to understand how living systems actually work. My research is mainly about understanding emergence in complex systems, and that means we would like to understand how from molecular interactions you get higher level behavior such as a phase transition or even something as complex as a living cell. To build a synthetic cell will be in the far future, I would think. We are at the very beginning of that kind of research, and with building a synthetic cell, I think we also have to face a lot of very important ethical questions that we have to ask and have to answer before we really dare to actually create something like a synthetic cell.